Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to convert Google Docs to PDF. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to convert Google Docs to PDF. Just open your Google Docs and after that click File and then download, then select PDF document, and here it's saved, and here just you can right click show in folder, and this is the document resume PDF, and you can see now it's converted to PDF. This is what you need to do if you want to know how to convert Google Docs to PDF. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.